What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu.
What's up, family? So for this spinach roll-ups recipe, you're going to need spinach, spaghetti sauce, lasagna noodles, mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, onion, pepper, garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and you want to salt and season that to taste. Now for every bag of spinach, you're going to use 1 block of cream cheese. Okay? With that said, let's get to creating, family. So the first things first, we're going to go ahead and boil down our lasagna noodles. And you're going to cook them down to this. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Good. We're going to just go ahead and put these to the side and strain them. We're going to use these later. Okay. Now we're going to add in our first bag of spinach. You do want to make sure you rinse your vegetables off first before use. Add in like a cup of water or half a cup of water. We're going to go ahead and we're going to let these cook down to this. Stir this up some. Remember, when you're opening your lids, always open the lid away from you. All right, we're going to add in our onions and our peppers. And we're going to go ahead and cover those back up and let that cook down some. Go ahead and give it a little stir, let it cook evenly. Add some butter. Now the butter can be optional. I like to add the butter just for a little bit of that butter flavor, just a hint of it. We're going to add in our second bag of spinach. Make sure you get every single piece. We're going to cover this up and we're going to cook this down. Yes. That looks beautiful. Cover that back up with some more. Let it cook down. As long as you keep an eye on it, you're not going to burn it. You're not going to destroy it, okay? Remember, open the lid away from you. We're going to add in our pepper. Garlic powder. Our onion powder. And we're going to add in our Himalayan pink salt. This cook down some, and we're going to just mix it in evenly. And this is the consistency that we're looking for. Yes. Okay, let's go ahead and strain these bad boys up. Look at all that flavor. All right. You take a spoon or a fork and you want to just gently smushing your vegetables and your spinach in to get the excess water off of it. Look at the steam. Now we're about to make this more delicious. All right, we're gonna take our stainless steel bowl. We're gonna add in our spinach and vegetables. We're gonna put in our 2 blocks of cream cheese. Add in some mozzarella cheese. No measurement, just a half a bag to start off with. I like to add a little bit more. All right, we're gonna get the blending. Get a nice, good blend in there. And yes, at this time, I like to go ahead and add in my garlic. Just 1 teaspoon is good enough. You can add more if you wish. Remember, garlic and onion help clean the impurities in your food and help clean your bloodstream as well. Nice and creamy. Let's get to the quick facts.
Where did lasagna originate? Lasagna originated in Italy during the Middle Ages and has traditionally been ascribed to the city of Naples. The first recorded recipe was set down in the early 14th century, Liber de Compania, the Book of Cookery. Pretty cool.
All right, now that we have our noodles drained, we're going to take our creamy spinach and vegetable mix here. We're going to put in our noodles and we're going to roll these up. Hence the name, spinach roll-ups. Going to take our last 2 here and get these in the pan. Now you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All right, we're going to add in our spaghetti sauce. Today I'm using Hunt's out of the can. You can use whatever spaghetti sauce you like, whatever's your favorite, whatever's your flavor. All right, add in the other part of our mozzarella as our topping. Mix this in evenly. And we're going to put this in our oven for at least 25 to 30 minutes until you get this. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. See what we're working with. Closer look at that for you guys. Yes. Cheesy, creamy. Even though this is a vegetarian meal, I love it. Let's go ahead and dig in. Ow! That satisfied my soul. If you guys like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. Share this video with all your friends, Ddins. Let's make it to our first 100. Until next time, peace.